Look how cute these gray candy apples look. I will show you how to dip. Make cute candy apple bows and decorate. But first, let me introduce myself. I am the DIY Queen Diva. Make sure you hit that like, subscribe, and notification bell to keep updated with me and all of my videos on the weekends and pop-up videos during the week. I am using the 3-1-1 candy apple recipe, 3 cups of sugar, 1 cup of water, and 1 cup of corn syrup. Okay, I am going to go ahead and add my flavor because if I don't add it now, I will forget. So let me go ahead and give this a stir, add my flavor. Okay, right here I have the Wilton's white icing, and this is from Hobby Lobby. I also have Hobby Lobby's brand, Super Black. In order to make gray candy apples, you just make sure you add a little white to your candy mixture and a dab of Super Black. And you mix that until you get a gray color look. Okay, this looks about right. So I am going to go ahead and put this on the stove until the candy mixture reaches 300 degrees. These are the Hobby Lobby straws, the Hobby Lobby sticks. And I am going to place each wooden stick in each apple. Okay, now I am going to place my straws and wiggle the straw down the wooden stick. Give it a little shake to make sure the straw is fitted on tight. I am going to repeat the process. Just slide the straw down, shake it a little bit, slide it down again, and give the apple a shake to make sure my straw and stick is on tight. I am now wiping the top of my apples to make sure no apple juice is on top, because if you don't do this, you will have a bubble at the top of your apple once you dip your apples. So to avoid that, just wipe your apples down with a clean paper towel. Okay, these are the double face ribbons that you should use because each side is the same. You just wrap the ribbon twice over your index and middle finger. Then you tuck it in between the 2 fingers. This is the easy way how to make bows. You pull the ribbon out. You're forming your bow. See? Now you're going to tuck your ribbon up under the flap. You're going to pull up and pull down. And here's your cute little candy apple fancy bow. Now you just slide the bow off your fingers. And if you want a tail, you just cut the tails, each tail, with scissors. Cut slant up on one side and slant down on the other. And here's your cute little bow. Now if you don't want tails, you can also cut the tails off. You just cut them off as close as you can get to the knot, and then make sure you burn your ends or your tips before you place them on your candy apple sticks. You give the bow a little fluff, and here's a cute little candy apple bow. Okay, so this is the wired ribbon. I like this because it has a little jazz to it. It's a little jazzy. It's 1.5 inches thick. You just make your loop and you pinch the top to the middle and you take your twist tie and you form your bow. Make sure you pinch it. You just pinch the top to the middle. You take your twist tie and you go around and you twist the twist tie in the back to secure your bow. Okay, you fluff out your bow and you cut your tails. Okay, this is a cute little jazzy bow. Okay, my bows are all ready. Now here's a look at the candy thermometer that I use. I'll make sure I post this candy thermometer where you can purchase it down below in the description. So it has a 300 degrees on it and the hard crack marked on the candy thermometer. My candy has reached 300 degrees and it's time to dip. This is the gray color that I am trying to achieve. Yeah, this looks about right compared to my bow. So I just dip my apple, rotate it, bring it up, shake a little bit, and scrape it off the side of the pot to avoid extra candy on the bottom of my candy apples. And I just repeat the process. Okay, so now it's time to decorate my cute little candy apples. I put just a dab of hot glue on the back of each candy apple bow and attach it to the candy apple stick. And I just repeat the process. I fluff out my bows and I'm done. Thank you so much for watching my channel. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share my channel. Also, let your friends and family know about my channel. Bye-bye. Have a great weekend.